Etiefo me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so assembliesi ewo Kumase na NDC for elusu eye parliamentary hopeful that is obi a why na adwen say wo be stande as MP ewo Kumase na answer ne beto as na subscribe na click the notification bell on so no end the screen so sisi a wo ye ne say latest news bi aba wonsa ebeka Abranti aye kan ho asemi he was the parliamentary hopeful for Subin ewo Ashanti region na ne din nkasa ede Linford Owuo such an irony but the din no Linford Owuo na woko Kumase na okobo Linford Owuo a wo bia entumi nchel oni kwa Linford Owuo no wo ye ba wo bo edin sidia akola ketu akra betumi atrel say oh papa we ne friend Sidi papa we ne friend Sidi na just say nickname and obi be say the guy name no aka Sidi ni din ankasa de na nkrofo nim ba ni nickname ne de na wo bia nim na branch where you be I say he was a very strong NDC member na wo ba eye Mahama wo mo a wo mo support Mahama na no a very strong na ye ka wo bia ne ho odin physical nso na wo ginem e ba say NDC for hey a wo ginem chese ne ni edin e na wo sanso oni gym enti e ba macho men ne nyama chese wo macho men no ankasa wo ye macho man chese ne ni edin ankasa na it is unclear senior wo ye de ete ya ne se wo moko hu se wewu adane dem na chese bia enwumre wo daaye no na wo fem wu ya wo bia anti nti ya ma family no officially e report asem no ema police for asha se wo mo ye investigation ahwe se abranche eden eneku no e bia wo bi na command adwane di ya sebe wo di ko wu ye a wan kikem wan ye hwe a wo ko daaye se wo dana wo di afem wewu obi entumi amboa no chese ya abrahosem pa na abranche we yo bi a ye ka se wo mo ema eye Apia Stadium ebeka NDC ho a Apia Stadium na nkasa eka se abranche we eka ho bi now abranche we ene Apia Stadium wo mo ye nanfofo pa but in 2009 ho side no oni Apia Stadium enya ntokwa ema police for kra ebe chase abranche we iti akoye say after that no na Apia Stadium ene no ebe ye fine iti ende Apia Stadium awaye NDC nia wa fa Mahama asemato niti so no nini na branch we ene ye na oni Apia Stadium asema esi ya ema police for a channel in 2009 eni em say satan na Apia Stadium ye MPP ni na Apia Stadium ejuma wo ya ne se wo serial caller there's a radio station now with DNDC for atem 2009 Apia Stadium no radio station the DNDC for atem so he was popular nti abranche won so ye na nyu se dabi sabe mempene ema serial caller bia ewo Kumase ho enfre radio station NDC atem nti de ati ye ne se abranche we ene ne squad wo mo ko chi Apia Stadium ejine car ehine car ejine hu sikania ema ne beda ne police case ema police for the next day assembly see na the next day ena wo mo ko chi abranche we ne beda ne nsem bebre but I don't know akwai say asem no wo mo begya no ema wo mo ko kan wo fie iti am say asem no ne kan mu a wo fie no ena tese woni Apia Stadium ebeda ne nanfofo pa tese afei bebia Apia Stadium ana bebia abranche we wonam bia wo sa Apia Stadium tanechi. Just said they became very good and it happens sometimes when you be mobile conto kwasa later mobile tomu ho asa obo hu say oh say nipa ko ikra won sheda enya bad sa it only Apia Stadium ebe ye na fofo pa wono nso essence na wo ye strong e wo NDC muninti no wo ye ya e convert Apia Stadium be dane NDC ni etiefo eno ene nsema em say e course it wo sha abranche we you be a very strong NDC guy it was yana doing say we be standing for a year MP e was Subin in the Ashanti region and Apia Stadium cry yana doing say we be support abranche we because we sure we no Apia Stadium we be join NDC ne kre we did that na there we did ni na no Kenya abranche we na convince ne be kan NDC ho a na ka se be we no Apia Stadium still na ko ye serial call na ma MPP. Who knows? Zebia and there, Ebia Caribbean as a Kibia Winya and Anka still, Obinya and answer Uncle Wunya. It's here for and no any insema eba. Into no our condolence to his family, our condolence to all the NDC fraternity. But only say nipe uwa, that's not the time for you to come and be seeing the dark side of the person. But that's a story that went on, and only asema a course. So, but a lot of people are actually trying to talk about Semna or in the past, no. But send your Pia Stadium Nankasa Babontin Ebekano, or she won't be so be a bebo sansem de subium. Because on your branch and bedanin now for £4. It's very sad. But I've heard from some people, me who say Ebimo so are reporting on this. Ebimo epese at the share say, oh, where the NDC phobia na mafia no politics, no media film mafia no. Whichever case, no, I'm not ruling out any case because information I want. I'm not ruling out any case, but police for air investigation. Na ya share. Ebia, that baby no ko die na one that year. Ana eduane bi no ko di na wendi ni ye. Na say ana ndroboni bi na wo bi di say ebia stress. Whoa. I always say this. Ghana has say they didn't train us with a year health check. Not to say Ghana need be unless they are Ghana need no say with a rich family and I say wakotina brochi pain. But normally a normal Ghanaian na ya wono no. A yana yam call hospital say yakoye check up. But nipa da se need yanka every 3-4 months bi ananka say oko hospital keke. Na wokoka say o me pese me ye check up na me hwe de ekoso wo me mu. Because if you will be over, I will be who say when I'm hot, the whole day, everything is okay. Now, so back for that, the next over so near Sini Pakunu went to me. I'm sorry. Now, if you go can say, hey, wait, dear, you fear for almost a fear, or will be what's in the baby near the question say or no. Now, so meanwhile, maybe and the Pakunu one quiet check up. Emma, not BPA, see when you move, but because we all didn't know that you wouldn't say what one day. Nansenya ebi to my classmate, no, and then my classmate, schoolmate, meaning every year, the same year, I was SHS. Sisi I was your teacher. I was tried the Central Region. Nansenya breaking news. I'm say a lot of media outlets report here. My old school SHS page, and also one more the guy in the picture, be a guy in the I think next week no more year. It was very sad. And also, sir, will be a year teacher, Sebe. Wako try the area wako fie will be able to say we dware wa ye bibia fa wo obi a wo sori anopatutu to na chese we siesie no ho nti fie na wo team no anopa no wo mu hu say wa sori siesie no wo ko hwe ne dem so a fancy so ena ase wo da empane so wo mo friend na wo fi wo mo bu do na no a we wu eda ho. No one knows. No bia afe nsema omo kroni so ekano teachers make wo kroni so esro because they are fearing say we there e bia wo bi na de na akoye bibi atia say but e bia na be bakra no na eye bibi na edidi ni mo but because we are not trained with that check-up thing in no atia say I've heard of a lot of stories like this, a lot of stories. Say it was last 2 years. Willie Roy, very very popular. Xylophone TV, Xylophone Media. Willie Roy, woman nipa Willie Roy. Was a big person that was Xylophone. And Brandon and Apia Mensa, which none in the national. One also saw or down the room. Wako boy Juma by I down the room the next day. The boom Willie Roy on fee. Yakobu Nipunani, Willie Roy, not just a we were what done in past week. If you are listening to me. Na Ghana, I'm not even taking myself out. Mr. Check up there. I was say a idea occasionally yako hospital near Koye. Mr. Pan because Ebiana now say me my make a story be tell me sir. I sorry one more go for be sorry so one be check up. One more checking na down for be now the sugar level no very very high. A one a doctor phone and say hey. One fear sorry home call hospital anymore or call hospital no doctors no train say nanko wamba hospital na ka next week o munti asem de ka next week ono so wo be pon asori akofie akoye na adwuma obekọ akoda ana bibi obeti na esi wewu wo mo check in the sugar level senya na the blood sugar level so there's a technical things and doctors need use to know na too much. Now so one now no new almost race and anti koba fine I will be who said the bakone yare. So these things actually help a lot. Mr. Into your what there at least woman say 3 months 4 months na ye juma ananse e 2 months because me can ananse me call hospital say me call check up me call wo mo check 1-2 things be pen on wo mo ma me tia sika be 300 cedis na me can me kike say hey check up kakra bia mo ma me gin so ye check up 1-2 per 300 cedis nti e bia wo bi be ka say oh sa check up na nsem no omo di sika too much ne kre but sometimes we actually have to use some opportunities. At 300 cedis now work say e sika wo mu di no e bia wan ko yes check up no now be yare a obetia more than that 300 cedis ne crowd. And sometimes in Kofu bi so wo ho occasionally they do free screening. It wo say e bia program bi ba philanthropies bi NGO bi e free screening na mesre na wo de ho akotale ho na wo so waye bi. Wonso mfa so abobenya no ma sorry say ya meko every year ye no once e wo community na ya sorry no e wo no it will be who want to go check up no womu use that one as an opportunity na womu aba free screening no asori no na fight canning na ya screening na mo nti I don't know if obi case e serious na e was say refer na quickly wa refer na ko hospital nti please if 3-4 months na want to me ya kana minim say ne board but if 3-4 months na want to me ya kana mesre o dia once a year and twice a year kana it's not bad nti ya no any asema eda ho me pese mo tre mo adwen e wo comment box ni mo mo tre mo adwen me da se